I got a budget laptop, a Packard Bell, and I was thinking when I want to reinstall Windows, then I just need to download the drivers. That was my experience with other laptops, so I thought let me just check on that. And boy was I wrong. There was no drivers on their website. Maybe it's just this brand. So I checked Rizzen and Connex, and there was no drivers on their sites either. So now I was stuck. Was there another option? So after some searching, I found a Windows command that exports all third-party drivers. Go into Windows PowerShell by right-clicking on Windows Start menu and select Windows PowerShell brackets admin. Export minus Windows driver minus online minus destination, and the path and folder to -e:/pb2